as naughty as your mummy, though. Courtesy of writing to you at length. The least you could do is show him the courtesy of reading it.
Courtesy? You know, that cheater doesn't even know the meaning of the word.
He's done some terrible things. But now he's out there somewhere, all on his lonesome. He's probably desperate to put things right. And if you don't let him, a proud man like that, it could kill him.
Read it.
Ah, good for you.
Yeah, and do you know what? It's just made me even madder. He's begging for forgiveness and pleading that he's changed. I mean, who does he think he is?
Maybe he's a man who's made one mistake and now he's trying to put things right.
Oh, one mistake. No, he was having it away with Martine and Simone behind my back. And he is delusional if he thinks this is going to make things right.
Are you sure you're not acting in haste?
Oh, I am sure. You know, you can't trust any of that family. And Lisa, she couldn't even look after her own little brother for more than 5 minutes yesterday.
Yeah, and no good sister's one thing, but...
But the dad's any different. Don't buy it.
Listen to me. If Louis lets you down again, I'm going to be the first one to say, get rid.
Why does it matter to you? You raised Goldie without a dad. And Tegan, she did the same for Rose. Brilliantly.
Yeah, but rejecting Louis, though,
It could what? Kill him? Yeah, I heard you the first time. And you know what? After this load of rubbish, I don't really care.
Finally, you have to tell me everything. Did she like the letter?
Loved it.
So what did she say?
Well, she's still very hurt, but she knows you meant well, and...
Is she going to take me back?
I'm sure of it.
Breeder, I'm not stupid. I can see what you're trying to do. You're trying to let me down gently. Leela's not going to forgive me, is she? I mean, why would she, after what I did to her?
Because she loves you. And when a woman truly loves a man, and he's truly sorry, she always forgives him. In time.
You really think so?
People who have a child together, they're bonded for life.
That's true.
Love always finds a way. And in the end, so do they. A way back to each other.
You're right. I should write to Simone.
Hey, hang on, what?
Simone, the mother of my children. She's always forgiven me in the end, no matter what I've done.
You being a good father to Daniel means you being with Leela.
I need to be on good terms with her, sure, to be in Daniel's life, but I know Leela. She'll never really forgive me, but Simone will. Simone is the love of my life. You know, the years of marriage, the family we raised together, that's the bond that will last forever.
You don't know what you're saying. You need a rest. And he's hoping that in the morning, you'll see some sense. For all our sakes.